Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting 3 to 5 past papers that match your exact syllabus and exam format. Once done, assemble answer keys, mark schemes, a stopwatch, and a notebook so you can record timings and errors. Make sure to list the high-weight topics. Focus on papers that cover around 60 to 80% of the exam scope. This lets you hit the most important material immediately and avoid wasting time on peripheral questions. You should now simulate the real exam. Sit in a quiet place and complete a paper under strict timed conditions with no notes. After finishing, grade your work using the official mark scheme and record each mistake plus the time spent per question. Then categorize errors into concept gaps, careless slips, or time pressure problems so you can plan targeted practice. Once you've analyzed one paper, repeat the cycle to track trends and improvements over consecutive attempts. You finish by turning analysis into action. Create 1 to 2 focus drills for each weak area and schedule spaced reviews across 1 to 2 weeks to cement learning. Make sure to redo the toughest questions untimed first, then under exam timing, assessing whether your approach and speed improve. If progress stalls, consult a teacher, classmate, or the authoritative solution to resolve conceptual blocks quickly. Finally, do a final timed paper to confirm readiness and adjust your last day strategy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.